Hey guys, so welcome back. So today I am going to show you how to customize your back office. And so in the little thing that I showed you, you can actually change your URL for your website, because normally it's www.my31.com/4395, which is mine. And so that is sometimes those numbers can get lost and everything. And so what I want to do is show you today how you can actually change that, and you can do that differently. So right here, we're going to log into the virtual office. This is right here. And you're going to see that there's all kinds of things like parties and orders, home. If you scroll over the home, you can see here that it says welcome, profile, and subscriptions. So for this thing, we're going to go into profile. For future reference, if you wanted to know the subscriptions right here, this is actually where you would put in your subscriptions for your website. And also, if you want the monthly flyers sent to you each month, if you also have to change your card number, so if you get a new card and you need to change the card on file, this is also where you would have to do that as well. But we'll talk about your profile. So you're going to go into your profile, and you can see here that you can change any of your information that you need. Okay, so you can do that. Additional information, this would be your phone number, this would be your email address that you have. This is your manage your cards, so if you needed to change your card on file, then you could do that. Your commission options are here, and this would be for your checking information for your routing. And then right here is your website information. And you can see that this is the one that is standard given to you with your consultant ID number. And then I also have this one back here. Okay, so I can personalize that. And so how you're going to do that is the name that you're going to show. It's obviously Christy Busby, and then your website name. And so what you could do is you could go in there and you could type your name in here if it fits. You could type something specific in there, and then that would give you a customized name after that slash, as opposed to your number on the back. So what's nice is that it was really super easy to do, and you could make it really easy for people to remember, which is important. Okay, so we're going to save that, just so that we didn't change anything. Also, you could update your photo. So if you click on that, you could see that you could update your photo. Just make sure right here it says that your photo cannot be any bigger than 400 pixels by 400 pixels. If it does not, if it's bigger than that, or if it's something's different about it, it will change the direction of the photo. Okay? So I hope that that helps you. It gives you some information on how you can customize your website to make it personally your own. So have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.